Comfrey has earned the nickname Bone Knitter, and for good reason. This powerful herb has been used for centuries to support healing from the outside in. Comfrey is rich in allantoin, a natural compound that stimulates cell growth and tissue regeneration. It's commonly used in salves, poultices, and compresses to promote the healing of sprains, bruises, muscle strains, joint inflammation, and even minor fractures. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and pain, while speeding up the body's natural repair process. Comfrey also helps tighten and tone tissues, making it useful for wound healing and scar reduction. Although comfrey should not be taken internally due to the presence of pyrrolizidine alkaloids, it's incredibly effective when used topically. Whether you're recovering from an injury or looking to soothe sore muscles, comfrey offers a natural and time-tested way to support the healing process.